Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I'm looking at the Carl Schmidt Sohn, the CSS. This is a single serving coffee machine. I used it today to make hot cocoa. I'm a hot cocoa guy. And it's absolutely fantastic. You're making single cups of coffee with your K-cups in 3 minutes. You can also use it to heat up water for your tea or for your cocoa or whatever you may need a little bit of hot water for. Super simple to use, stainless steel design and single cup. So you just go ahead and open her up, pour your hot water in here, put your cup in, close her up, and then put your coffee cup underneath, press start, and you're good to go. This is a fantastic product. I think the fact that it is under 4 pounds is very nice. It's petite. You're not using up a lot of kitchen space. We all know that counter space is a premium, at least in my house it is. I mean, everyone wants to put an air fryer in, they want to put their toaster oven, their Ninja whatever, their blender, their barista. Well, this guy is only taking up 4 or 5 inches wide of prime real estate, and it's going to be well worth it for you to get that perfect cup of coffee every morning. It's so good. I can imagine you can taste it through the screen, right? So if you're looking for a great product, this is definitely perfect when it comes to single serving coffee machines. You just want a quick cup and you want it, you want it real quick, okay? There's nothing like it when you wake up in the morning and immediately smell that coffee brewing with your favorite, what do you like personally? Hazelnut? Do you like vanilla cream? Just that deep roast. What do you like the most? So anyway, folks, a beautiful, beautiful machine. Making great coffee every single time. We're going to show you the up close of this video here in a moment of this product, but Carl Schmidt Sohn, since 1829, German, really making great products, giving you the VIP experience, easy to clean, easy to use, and does not show fingerprints very easily. You can just incorporate it, like I said, you can do instant coffee with it by putting it in here, letting the hot water run in. You can do your K-cup, which is really the way to go. Your hot chocolate or even your tea bag and get it however you want. Perfect cup of coffee every single time. That deep, rich taste in only 3 minutes. You really can't beat it, folks. So I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, where I only show you the top products that I own, I love, and I think you're gonna love. So I own this, I love it, and I think you're gonna love it. Let me show it to you one last time up close. A really premium brand, stellar product. That black with stainless steel is a really clean look, and it is a perfect design. So go ahead, pick it up. You absolutely will not be disappointed. Again, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I only show you products that I truly, truly love, and I love this product. CSS Carl Schmidt Sohn. Absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching and stick around for the up close portion of the video. All right, folks, we are looking at the Carl Schmidt Sohn. This is a great little single-use coffee maker. We're gonna go ahead and lift it up. We've already put a little bit of water in there. You're gonna go ahead and put your K-cup right in here. And so imagine me setting that right there. Close her up and turn her on. And this is a great way to make a single cup of coffee, right perfect to your discretion. It is now, the heating element is heating up, closing the lid has punctured the K-cup, and within minutes you're gonna have your coffee dripping down into your own favorite mug. Those K-cups are just so delicious. You can get it perfect for you. I always like the vanilla, a little bit of cream in there, and they are fantastic. So anyway, folks, if you're looking for a great coffee machine, this is the up close portion of the video. I think this is great. Single use, stainless steel that does not show prints very easily. And you can see it's already dripping in. Again, we just used hot water in this case, but just put your favorite type of coffee in there and you're absolutely going to love it. All right, thanks again, Adam, Elite Demonstrations, where we only show you products that we own, we love, and we think you're gonna love too. We own it, we love it, and we think you're going to love it as well. All right, and what are you waiting for? Go make yourself a cup of coffee and get going. Adios, amigos.